In a world where data is rarely simple, multivariate analysis acts as a ultimate lens to view multiple variables simultaneously rather than in isolation. It is a statistical analysis of multiple variables at once. It helps researcher and business study the complex relationship that exists among different variables. This analysis is widely used in healthcare, AI business, and general research. Objectives of multivariate analysis. The main goal of performing this analysis include identification patterns, finding hidden structure within large data sets, complexity reduction, simplifying data without losing essential information. Predictive power using current data trend to make future predictions. And strategic support providing a mathematical foundation for better decision making. Types of multivariate techniques. The presentation highlights several specialized techniques used depending on the data type. Principal component analysis PCA. Reduce the noise or dimension of data by converting correlated variables into essential principal component PCA. Factor analysis used to identify hidden or latent factors commonly used in psychology and survey data. Cluster analysis, a method used to group similar observations together, often used for customer segmentation in marketing. Multiple regression and ANOVA. Other advanced statistical method for examining relationship between multiple dependent and independent variables. Practical applications and advantages and disadvantages and limitations. Practical application of multivariate analysis is a powerhouse in several industries like healthcare, assist in medical diagnosis and patient outcome prediction, marketing used for deep market research and understanding consumer behavior, tech and finance, AI development, vital for machine learning and analyzing financial risk. Advantages and limitations. Can we discuss advantages first? Can handle highly complex and large data sets and provide much deeper insight than simple one variable analysis. And the limitations are requires a very large amount of data to be accurate and the result can be difficult for non-expert to interpret. Now, the conclusion is multivariate analysis is an essential tool in modern statistics by allow us to analyze complex interconnected relationship. It remains a cornerstone of advancement in both science and technology. Now, see you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.